Can an LLC own a corporation? Yes, an LLC can own a corporation, and this is perfectly legal under US business law. Many companies use this setup when they want to separate different ventures, manage risk, or invest in other businesses. An LLC can hold partial shares or even 100% ownership of a corporation, depending on the structure. For example, your LLC could own stock in a small C corporation that operates in a different industry, or it could fully own a corporation to run as a subsidiary. This helps protect your personal assets while keeping liability within the entities themselves. The key consideration is taxes. C corporations face double taxation, so if your LLC owns one, profits are taxed at the corporate level, and again, if distributed as dividends. Proper planning is needed to make sure this structure works to your advantage. Zen Business can help you form LLCs and corporations and set up ownership structures